Welcome to episode 2 of Flipping Economics. In the previous episode, we looked at what is elasticity. In this episode, we will look at price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is the percentage change in quantity demanded if the price of the product changes by 1%. For example, if the price of airline tickets increase, what will the effect be on the quantity demanded for airline tickets? To determine the effect of price changes, in this case the increase in price of airline tickets, we will have to calculate the change. In order to calculate the price elasticity of demand, you can make use of two formulas, the point formula and the arc formula, depending on which information is provided to you. This represents the point formula, where it resembles a specific point on the demand curve. This formula represents the arc formula, representing 2 points on the demand curve from one point to the other. It is very important when it comes to the calculation of price elasticity of demand that you categorize your answer. The answer of your price elasticity of demand will fall in one of the following categories: perfect elastic demand, perfect inelastic demand, inelastic demand, elastic demand, and unitary elastic demand. Perfect elastic demand. It means that the elasticity coefficient is infinite. It is represented by a horizontal line. The curve shows that consumers are willing to buy any quantity at a particular price, but if the price slightly increases or decreases, the amount drops to zero. Perfect inelastic demand. Perfect inelastic demand refers to a situation where the price elasticity is equal to zero. It is represented by a vertical line parallel to the price axis. The curve shows that if the price increases or decreases, individuals will still buy the product. For example, a diabetic needs insulin to survive. Regardless of the price of insulin, the individual needing insulin will still buy the product. Inelastic demand. Inelastic demand indicates that the quantity demanded will respond to price changes. The elasticity coefficient in this case is greater than 0 but less than 1. Note that the percentage change in quantity demanded will be less than the percentage change in price. If the price of bread increases, let's say from 10 Rand to 25 Rand, the quantity demanded for bread will decrease from 5 units to 3 units. We can say that consumers are relatively insensitive to price changes. Elastic demand. Elastic demand indicates that quantity demanded will respond to price changes. The elasticity coefficient in this case is larger than 1. Note that the percentage change in quantity demanded is greater than the percentage change in price. If Samsung TVs increase from 6,000 Rand to 8,000 Rand, the quantity demanded for Samsung TVs will decrease from 10 units to 3 units. We can say that consumers are relatively sensitive to price changes. Unitary elastic demand. The elasticity coefficient in this case equals 1. Unitary elastic demand is where the percentage change in quantity demanded is exactly equal to the percentage change in price. In the next episode, we will look at the second type of elasticity, income elasticity.